Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this Shark vacuum. It's been almost 3 years we are using this and it is performing really well. It is super powerful machine. It can handle a lot of hard work. You can see it moves up and down. It can easily go under the couch we have, and you can easily take this apart if you need to just use the hose part to clean up things. And it is really easy to empty the garbage bin. You would just hold it from here, pull it out, and this has really large capacity. You can just uh, press this button here and open it and uh, take out the dust. And here we have two mode. One is fine with the hardwood floor, and the second one is providing more suction for the carpet and rugs. So we can show you guys how it works. Also, as you can see, it has a LED lights here. It is really a good feature. You can see all the small dirt particles on the floor, and we are really happy with this machine. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.